Welcome to our exploration of innovation and creativity, the driving forces behind modern progress and development. These concepts are essential for fueling progress and creating novel solutions that address complex challenges effectively. Now, let's examine the role of the entrepreneur in today's innovative business landscape. We'll discover why creativity fundamentally drives business success and separates thriving companies from the rest. First, let's consider how entrepreneurs excel at driving innovation within their organizations. This creates a solid foundation for developing new products, services, and improved operational processes. Innovation effectively sets businesses apart from their competitors in meaningful and sustainable ways. Next, we have solving problems, another critical area where entrepreneurs demonstrate their creativity. Creative thinking enables innovative solutions that help overcome significant business obstacles and challenges. This approach optimizes operational efficiency and significantly reduces costs throughout the organization. Another key area is adapting to change, which is essential in today's dynamic business environment. Creativity helps businesses pivot effectively to meet new market demands and emerging opportunities. It allows companies to adjust to evolving customer preferences and technological advancements. Finally, we have enhancing experience, which focuses on customer engagement and satisfaction. Creative approaches lead to unique and memorable customer interactions that build strong relationships. This ultimately increases customer loyalty and overall satisfaction with your products or services. Let's now explore unlocking your creative potential and how you can develop this valuable skill. We'll discuss practical methods for generating new ideas that can transform your approach to innovation. Our first technique is brainstorming, a classic but highly effective creative method. This involves generating a large number of ideas quickly while encouraging free-flowing thoughts without immediate judgment or criticism. Another powerful tool is mind mapping, which helps organize thoughts visually and effectively. You start with a central concept and branch out to related thoughts, creating visual connections between ideas. The Scamper technique offers a structured approach to modifying and improving existing ideas. You ask questions based on substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and rearrange to spark innovation. Finally, collaborative creativity leverages the power of teamwork for innovative outcomes. This encourages diverse team members to work together, cross-pollinating ideas and perspectives for better solutions. Now, let's discuss building a culture of creativity within your organization or team. This involves fostering an atmosphere where ideas can thrive and innovation becomes a natural process. Open communication is fundamental to creating this creative environment successfully. It allows team members to express ideas freely and build on each other's thoughts without fear of criticism or rejection. Promote experimentation as a core value within your creative culture. This encourages trying new ideas, even if they might fail, fostering innovation and generating valuable new insights. Foster diversity to enhance creativity through varied perspectives and experiences. A diverse team brings different perspectives, skills, and backgrounds, leading to a wider range of creative solutions. Let's examine designing for tomorrow and why innovation matters in what we create. Understanding why innovation matters helps us create products and services with lasting impact and value. Customer-centric value ensures our designs truly meet user needs and expectations. This involves designing products that align with evolving customer preferences and effectively solve their real problems. Differentiation in the market helps your business stand out from competitors through unique design approaches. Enhancing efficiency means improving production processes and optimizing the supply chain to reduce costs and minimize waste. Sustainable growth highlights the importance of building long-term value while caring for the environment. This includes focusing on eco-friendly materials, responsible production methods, and sustainable packaging to reduce environmental impact. It also creates new opportunities by inspiring innovative business models and tapping into underserved markets. Finally, let's explore tools for designing breakthroughs that can transform your innovation process. These methods help spark innovation in developing new products and services that truly stand out. Design thinking offers a human-centered approach to problem-solving and innovation. This method focuses on understanding user needs, defining problems clearly, ideating solutions, prototyping, and testing thoroughly. Open innovation involves collaborating with external partners to co-create new ideas and technologies. You work with customers, suppliers, and even competitors to develop innovative solutions through shared expertise. Rapid prototyping allows you to create quick, low-fidelity versions of products for testing. This approach helps test ideas efficiently, gather valuable feedback, and make improvements before full-scale production. Crowdsourcing taps into the collective intelligence of large groups through online platforms. You solicit ideas, solutions, or contributions from diverse sources to generate innovative concepts and approaches. Customer co-creation involves customers directly in the design process for better outcomes. This gathers their feedback, suggestions, and ideas to ensure products effectively meet their actual needs and expectations. Let's explore what disruptive technologies are and how they transform entire industries. Disruptive technologies are innovations that completely revolutionize industries by introducing new products, services, or business models that challenge how things have always been done. They often start small, targeting niche markets before expanding and eventually displacing established companies and traditional ways of doing business. For example, smartphones disrupted both the mobile phone and camera industries by combining internet access, photography, and apps into one device. Now, let's look at the technologies that are actively reshaping our world today. These are the core innovations that are driving significant industry changes across multiple sectors. First, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies automate complex processes and dramatically enhance data analytics capabilities. They also enable personalized recommendations for users and help optimize business operations efficiently. Next, let's examine blockchain technology. Blockchain provides secure, transparent, and completely immutable records of transactions. It reduces the need for intermediaries in both financial services and supply chain management. Finally, we have 3D printing technology. This allows for rapid prototyping and custom, on-demand production of physical objects. It significantly reduces material waste and cuts down production costs in manufacturing. Now, let's explore the build, measure, learn loop methodology. This is about iterating for success in modern product development approaches. The first step in the loop is to build. Here, you create a minimum viable product, or MVP, which is a basic version of your product designed specifically to test your hypotheses and gather initial customer feedback before investing too many resources. The second step is to measure. In this phase, you collect data on how customers actually interact with your MVP using analytics tools, surveys, or direct user feedback to understand their engagement and behavior patterns. The final step is to learn. Here, you analyze all the collected data to determine if your product meets customer needs, using these insights to refine and improve the product for your next development iteration. Let's discuss the core principles of the Lean Startup methodology. The Lean Startup approach emphasizes building a minimum viable product, or MVP, to test your core business assumptions with minimal resources. Through validated learning, startups gather real-world data and feedback to iterate quickly. Based on these insights, entrepreneurs then decide whether to pivot, meaning change their business model or product direction, or persevere, continuing to improve and scale, ensuring products truly meet customer needs while optimizing resource usage. Now, let's explore design thinking, which is a human-centered approach to problem solving. This methodology focuses on solving complex problems with both empathy and creativity at its core. The first stage is to empathize. In this phase, you work to deeply understand users' needs, pain points, and desires by immersing yourself in their experiences and perspectives. Next comes the define stage. Here, You clearly frame the problem based on the insights gathered during empathy, creating an actionable problem statement that guides your solution development. The third stage is ideate. This involves generating a wide range of creative ideas and potential solutions without judgment, encouraging truly out-of-the-box thinking and innovation. Then we move to prototype. In this phase, you create tangible, simplified versions of your ideas through sketches, wireframes, or mock-ups to test concepts quickly and cost-effectively. Finally, we have the test stage. Here, you try out your prototypes with real users to gather valuable feedback, identify issues, and refine the design before moving to final implementation. Let's summarize the key points we've covered in this section. Here are the most important takeaways to remember from our discussion on innovation and creativity. First, creativity is absolutely essential for entrepreneurs to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and adapt to changing market conditions effectively. Fostering creativity involves using specific techniques like brainstorming and mind mapping, plus creating environments that encourage open communication and experimentation. Innovation in product and service design is crucial for meeting customer needs, differentiating in competitive markets, and ensuring long-term business sustainability. Disruptive technologies, including AI and blockchain, are actively reshaping entire industries and creating exciting new business opportunities. The Lean Startup methodology uses a build-measure-learn cycle to efficiently develop products and validate ideas with real customer feedback. Finally, design thinking provides a human-centered, iterative approach to problem-solving that focuses on empathy, ideation, and continuous testing.